All right, so today we welcome you to our monthly episode of Bitcoin performance, and today we'll be looking at the Bitcoin performance for the month of March using data from 2011 to 2022 to see how Bitcoin might be performing in this month of March 2023. But before we dive deep into that, let's look at what we discussed about Bitcoin performance for the month of February 2023. So in totality, the month of February has been really good for Bitcoin. And looking at the performance of Bitcoin for the month of February, it shows that Bitcoin performed positively, but with a very small percentage, which is 0.1% performance, and that has been the smallest positive performance of Bitcoin for the month of February since inception. But what can we attribute this to? So looking at the events that happened during the month of February, we noticed that there were some fundamental events where SEC had issues with some of the biggest exchange in the industry, thereby pushing Bitcoin downward. And when you look at the candlestick of February again, you will notice that there were really volatility, up and down movement of the price and volume. This shows that there were series of fundamental negative events that was pushing the price downward. But let's leave that and move into March and see what March have in stock for us. So having an outlook of March using data from 2011 to 2022, you'll notice that on a general note, Bitcoin have performed poorly, because looking at this data, March has always performed positively for 4 months, while the remaining 8 months was negative performance. This shows that over the years, March has done an average of 70% negatively and 30% positively. But let's look at how things might pan out for this month of March 2023 using the existing performance. Now, when you look at this existing performance and over the years, you notice that average performance of this month of March, it shows that March has been performing 10% positively for every month. But this data is questionable because there was an outlier performance, which was 2013, where Bitcoin performed 186% in 1 month. And after that performance, Bitcoin performance has been on a range of plus 36 and minus 36. And in statistics, performances like that are treated as an outlier. So treating that as an outlier, we notice that on a moving average, Bitcoin has been performing minus 6% on every month of March. Now let's look at the best fit line to see where we might find ourselves in this month of March 2023. So when you look at this regression line, it is very obvious that Bitcoin performance has been on a downward slope movement, cutting the zero line at 2020, which shows that there is a high possibility that Bitcoin will perform negatively in this month of March 2023, which means generally March this year will be negative for Bitcoin. But before you invest, let me make this clear to you. This is not in any way a financial advice. This is just for educational purpose and for us to have understanding on how Bitcoin perform in the month of March. If you must invest, please consult your financial advisor for more precise information on how to go about investment. Then moving on very fast, you notice that generally month of March is a bad performing month for Bitcoin. But hopefully, let's see how it pans out this year, if there might be fundamentals that may drive the market. And one of the key fundamentals we are looking forward to is the Chagai upgrade of the Ethereum, which we are hoping may drive the market positively. But again, that is not a financial advice. Thank you very much for sticking around, and we appreciate your time. If you find value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification so whenever we drop a video, you'll be among the first to have access to it. Thank you and stay blessed.